water is so high, too. Look at it, for fuck's sake. That water is high, yo.
Oh, little hill.
Oh my God.
Here we go. Woo!
Okay, all right. My legs are a little wet. It's okay. It's okay.
Mm-hmm. It's very treey.
Yes. There's a long line for it. Except the... That's what I was thinking too. I wonder if we can see it. I agree that you can hardly see anything before you get on it. It's kind of nice. Here we go. My leg's way up now.
Not too bad. Cool, thank you.
Alright guys, so we just got out of Shenandoah Lumber Company, which is like sort of an old-time log flume type thing. They used to have them everywhere. Like every park we would go to when we were little had one. This one's kind of cool though because it's like all, you can hear people screaming. It was all back in the woods.
Yeah.
And there's a double hill. So you go up the first hill and then you drop down and then you kind of take like a long, windy, turning trip through the backwoods. And then you go up another hill and then that's the big drop at the end. We didn't get very wet, so that's cool. Just a little bit on your legs like usual, but it's just a good time.
Never too bad.
Yeah, it's like a vintage kind of old school log flume. And those are a lot of fun. So 2 thumbs up on this one. You're gone.
Little hill.